All right, guys. So now we got the truck. We got the battery in it. Got some carb cleaner. We got Jarrell trying to get some heat out of there. And we got Bivs. Let's try to get this puppy running.
It's got a loud AC.
Hey, you're not making it in the hole there, pal. There you go.
Ever crank. Start recording and got the zip tie.
Sick. God damn it, got distracted by a Lambo, dude.
Go for it.
That's a good tire.
Oh shit, that one's shredded. This tire's a little cooked there, pal. You been driving my truck, or was that me?
I was thinking you were doing it too when you brought it. Cut to the footage. Oh my.
Forward or back? Back.
You gotta back up, straighten out, and come in. Oh jeez.
That's how it is.
Let's get a close up of this car. Oh, check that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud.
Okay, so before and after, get behind it. Oh my god.
Do it right now?
Sunday. Oh no. I don't think that was the best idea. Oh man. That's good.
You're good.
Oh man.
It looks kind of like it's got a little bit of camera.
Yeah, it looks like it's
Broken?
not.
Looks like somebody just
Well,
decided
it needs a hole, it needs some air.
Maybe it looks like somebody just decided to punch it and then kick the tire in. I don't know.
No, this got a little bit of camera to it.
Look at that.
The door open.
Somebody look
Look at this, look at the stairs. Look at this only three.
What's this room?
Oh, the whole truck's hot though.
Yeah, it's from this truck. I think it'll hold air, I don't know. Alright guys, so now we need to put some air in the tire, see which ones hold air. Well, this one's not going to hold air. That one might hold some air.
I don't know what you're talking about there, pal. This look good.
I mean, I got every penny out of that goddamn tire. If you ask me. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now, we're going to have, well apparently Jesse's down there first, so he's going to be the one taking it off. Taking off the cover, and then we're going to start getting to it, so see how it goes.
Have to pull the axles out a little bit on either side so you can pull out the gearing off the differential.
Yep, that's pretty good.
So at this point, we got sidetracked and ended up in the weeds and ended up making a new livery for the damn truck. And here's some of the shenanigans we ended up actually doing before we actually got to the actual work.
There, we ran there.
Just remember, only speed parts on this truck. Speed parts.
Oh, it'll make you go fast.
Big dick energy.
You know, without context, that's
If you guys are looking for the part number,
Pull this out a little more, Vince. Oh, there we go.
That sounded like it did something.
Something's still coming up.
there we go.
There we go.
Oh, there it is, boy.
Gasket.
oh, gasket we're good. All right,
Heavy?
get this shit. That's crazy.
You can put it there.
Probably only like 50 pounds.
Okay, on the right side.
It's a boy.
All right, Jesse.
So right now we got the diff out, the whole gearing assembly and everything like that. It's the only way to actually access this kind. And right now we're just cleaning off the access oil. We're gonna go ahead and tack the corners in place.
Hold on, you got a little bit of soft focus going on. Hold on here.
A little bit of soft focus. Oh no.
There we go.
So yeah, so put in there. So these corners right here, there's 4 corners. We're gonna tack those. Then we're gonna cut a flat piece of steel and set it right in the middle and weld it all the way around as much as we can. Just fill that whole thing up with welds.
What's a welder? I'm only a maintenance guy. Okay?
Yeah, there you go.
Guys, don't do this at home. This is dangerous. We're doing it at home, but we're stupid.
Just playing your chest.
You burn your wells a little bit.
He burned his huevos. Give him a sock a little bit. No, wait.
He made huevos rancheros. Oh shit, is this okay?
It's okay because I won't harm my huevos rancheros today.
Oh my god, I hurt my dick!
My dick will end up in the sink.
So we got the plates on both sides, and now the buddy Bivs is gonna fucking make it stick forever.
Nah, I don't know about forever. He's gonna burn it in there real nasty. Keep her ripping till she's dripping, boys.
Okay, so it's all welded up. That one fit a lot better than this other one. This other side didn't fit too well, but it's welded. Yeah, it'll work for what we needed to.
In the garage. Stop.
All right, go ahead.
Now.
Now it's got Tommy, Doc.
Little bit of backfire.
Wait, spin it a little.
Huh?
Spin it a little.
No, not yet.
No, we don't want it to break until it gets on the floor.
Yeah.
This is the D3 Race Tech Race Truck Track Truck. Woo!
Oh, that's his valve.
Hey, let's hold on to it. I think it'll help.
that's the end of it for today. That was us welding the diff and doing some bullshit. So what we got to do next time is you'll probably see this little bastard on the Apple Valley Speedway is what they call it now. We'll see us at Grange.
Grange.
We might have stickers to give you guys out some. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching D3. See you later.
Wow, deputy.